Welcome to another episode of Road Hogs, and just want to let you know I'm going to be changing the front bumper on this Crown Victoria here. Now, as you can see, this is the reason why. I mean, you got new headlights, good looking grill, but this thing is just an eyesore. Look at that. Look at the other side. Horrible. Luckily, these cars are a dime a dozen in the wrecking yard, so went ahead and picked up a fresh new, well, used bumper. So what happens if you don't have a truck to get your bumper from the junkyard? You find an even smaller car and ram that sucker inside, like I just did with this. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, jeez. I really amaze myself. These broken fasteners right here that you see, yeah, they're gonna break regardless. So you can get a pack of these from like AutoZone or O'Reilly's and whatnot. But yeah, no, these are garbage now.
And stay on top of her game. Damn girl, you insane. Got everyone flying off the damn chain. I know you're in your zone, rocking jewels like a queen to a throne. The way you work that floor, girl, I think I need some more. So,
and underneath the vehicle, we got several of these over here too. Of course, on the other side. From here, but there are some tabs. These right here, you're underneath your car, as you can see, and right above this the honeycomb grill. All right underneath are these. This is part of the front bumper. Are these tabs? Let's see if I can get a better angle without the damn sun in the lens. But yeah, see, here they are. All right, here's a better angle. There's about like maybe 4. So you're gonna have to do is push these up and pull the bumper forward at the same time. So this is gonna be a little tricky. Let's see if I'm able to do this. Of course, you take the front bumper, take the front bumper or the side of the front bumper off and start pulling. There we go. And pushing the tabs upward and pulling the front bumper forward. Here we go. Now comes the front bumper. Like that. Now for the other one. And then boom, slips right in like a glove.
Fall for the showstopper, make your body rock.